Hello and welcome. The time is almost here for us to get our hands on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Therefore, we have put together a lineup of some of the most impressive cases that you can buy right now to provide immediate protection for when your handset arrives. As we don't have the device, I will be modelling the covers on the iPhone 12 Pro Max dummy today. Starting off our lineup is the highly protective Folio leather case from Nomad. This cover is beautiful in its simplicity. It provides outstanding protection through its hard shell construction and looks extremely classy. Many heavy-duty covers tend to have extravagant visuals, though this one safeguards your handset without detracting too much from the original look and size of the phone. The case is formed using Horween Leather, which is a Chicago-based company that has an outstanding reputation for providing high-quality leather. So if you choose this form of protection to protect your phone, you can feel assured that the quality of the leather will withhold over time, even when using the device all day, every day. Within the cover there are 3 very much appreciated card slots, and also a cash compartment. Being as this is the largest device within the iPhone 12 series, it can feel rather large when placed inside your pocket, so being able to carry the contents of your wallet in the case means you'll be able to leave your wallet at home, helping to keep your pockets feeling lighter. There is a very steep bezel situated around the input and the speakers of the handset. This is to defend them from the conflicts that may occur from everyday use. You are still able to access them even when they are being protected by the cover. Our second cover is the Ted Baker's Jasmine anti-shock case. It goes far beyond its beautiful visuals. As you can see, around the edge of the case there is visible cushioning, which has been enforced to tackle more than just your everyday scuffs and scrapes. You can still partially see the handset through the cover, therefore you are able to flaunt the chosen colour of your device. The delicate floral detail on the cover complements the already spectacular design of the handset. With this case attached, it will be apparent that your device is being protected by the famous fashionable brand that is Ted Baker, as the iconic floral design is seen across many of their other products. Located at the bottom of the cover is the brand's logo. This doesn't pull too much attention from the case's overall look. It is a simple and classy statement, making the cover not just a form of protection, but also a fashionable accessory to complement your style. The visual detail is made within the case's materials. Therefore, even when being handled on a daily basis, the floral print will not fade. There is protection offered to the display of your handset through a raised lip. This provides basic protection for when placing your screen down on a rough surface. Up next is this simple yet stylish leather cover from Olixar. This is a cheaper alternative to the Apple's official leather case, as it matches the level of quality and protection without the high price, allowing for you to save your money after having just paid for a handset as pricey as this one. The overall aesthetic of the cover is sleek and classy. It doesn't take too much away from the phone's original design, allowing for your phone to still be noticeable as one of Apple's newest releases. Due to its flawless visuals, it is appropriate for all occasions. If the brown option isn't quite to your taste, you are in luck, as you can also get this cover in black or grey. You could get multiple cases as the price is so good, allowing for you to switch up the look of your iPhone 12 Pro Max regularly. A beneficial factor of owning a leather case is its ability to always look clean. They are unlikely to show finger marks or have dust attached. If in the unlikely event that they were to ever become visible, it can be easily cleaned using the appropriate method. Therefore, this cover allows for your phone to keep its visuals looking pristine even long after purchasing. Covering the external buttons of the handset are metal shields that have been enforced to keep the condition of the exterior features intact. The contrast between the metal and the leather pleasantly uplifts the visuals of the case. We now have the incredibly crafted Mous Limitless 3.0 bamboo case. Mous have a reliable reputation of creating cases that are able to withstand some of the harshest of impacts. Just by looking at the cover you can see the amount of detail that has been incorporated to amplify the protection that your device receives from the cover. There is air shock technology enforced into the case to protect the areas of the device that would be vulnerable to damage if it was to be dropped. Within the box there is the case itself and a SIM card pin, which fits superbly well within the designated slot that has been designed within the interior of the cover. Alongside the SIM card pin slot, there are 2 SIM card holders, which is a unique element to the case that would come in most handy for those who use the same phone for business and personal purposes, as you are able to store both your work and personal SIM safely within the case. I have found the cover to be quite stubborn to attach and remove from the handset, though a benefit to this is that the handset's position is exceptionally secure when attached. There will be very little need to remove the cover when this case is attached, as you will still be able to charge your phone wirelessly. Inside its construction there are magnets. The reason for this is so that you are able to attach magnetic accessories to your device, meaning for you to explore some of the nifty add-ons that are available to enhance the way in which you use your phone. Our last case is this visually impressive cover from Spade that looks stunning when worn by the handset. It offers shock-absorbing protection, which will be able to deflect any harsh impacts that could damage your new device. Much like the Ted Baker case, this case too has a cushioned bumper, which once again adds to the security of the case in the event of your phone falling. Basic protection is provided by the case to ensure that when your phone is placed down, both your camera lenses and screen will not come into contact with the surface, eliminating the chance of your screen becoming scratched. Though, if the screen was to come into direct contact, it will be exposed, meaning it would be vulnerable to damage. The case supports an elegant daisy design. It is subtle and cute, and allows for you to still showcase the original design of Apple's latest smartphone. Within the daisies there are little diamantes that look flawless when hit by the light. This beautiful design is a classy way to elevate the already visually wonderful smartphone. Despite the external buttons being covered by the case, you'll experience no issues with wanting to function them, allowing for you to still hear that satisfying click when adjusting the volume of your handset. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you wish to purchase any of these cases for your iPhone 12 Pro Max, check out the links in the description and comments below. For more content regarding mobile accessories and tech reviews, please hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.